All that rain also has many people dealing with flooded basements today. Restoration companies are working around the clock to meet the high demand. Some people even being told they'll have to wait days for help. So what do you do if you're stuck with a flooded basement? Fox 47's Scott Wolchek talked with crews to find out.
I've had a little bit of water, but nothing like this.
Wendy woke up to find she's pretty much living on an island now. She's even got 2 pumps to dry things up.
What I'm trying to avoid is to keep it from getting inside.
Because she doesn't want her basement to end up like this one, where J&L Restoration is using a vacuum to suck out the water from the carpet. Or this one, where Ayers jackhammered a trough and installed a new sump pump. Crews say they've been swamped.
Tuesday, I think me and my coworker, we put in 17 hours. And today's going to be another long day.
And say flooding can happen in any home.
People that have never had an issue in 50 years in one house all of a sudden have a problem.
If your home floods, one of the first things you should do is move your possessions to dry land. As you can see right here, Ayers has tarped off this homeowner's possessions so they don't get ruined.
And then obviously anything electrical. You want to get anything unplugged, out of the way, and just keep everybody safe.
They also say check to make sure your sump pump works. Usually you can hear water running. But there's another trick too.
Take a hold of the actual pump and the line rather that comes out of the pump. You'll feel a little vibration, and that'd be a good indication that it's putting water up and out.
He says you could also try buying sealants or special paints from hardware stores, but with this much water, they might not work. In Lansing, Scott Wolchek, Fox 47 News.
Because a lot of people don't go down the basement, they may not realize there's water. Make it a habit to check for flooding. If you don't deal with it fast enough, it can leave behind serious damage.